Hello tutor, I'm classmate. I introduce myself. My name is Laura Guzman. I'm 22 years old. I belong to the unit of Pitalito Villa, where I usually reside and study environmental engineering. I am wife. I'm mother of two beautiful girls. My main interest is to be able to contribute to society with my studies and my biggest project of life, my family. Trace once. The last vacation was in November. I went to Cali with my mother and my sister. With staying at my aunt Nancy's house for 2 weeks. I difference of to pay ailing because at that time I was 13 years old and I did work, visit different places such as the Cane Park and the Cali Zoo. The most beautiful and amazing place was the sun and the animals that were there. It was some fantastic travel. Street 2. The climate in Cali. The climate of Cali is very sunny and occasionally clouded. The climate varies a lot. Recommendation. It is recommended to apply sunscreen. It is important that you use friends and air clothes. It is a good idea to bring an umbrella so you do not wet burn the sun. It is necessary to have badal or winter to eat it so because the room is soft. It's recommended to take portion of food to have energy in the tours of the part of the game and the soup. It's important and it's recommended to take into account taking the part of the game and the soup. All children must with accompaniment with response adult. It's a good idea that your attitude in the place of regression always we kind to environment and do not waste. It's important to help a person to with as to know how to help to our side of interest. Stress 3. What you should do if you are going to Cali in your vacation plans, you should check the extent of the isthmus coconut round and establish a content near your place of interest, organize and schedule to better dispose of your time in the trains that takes place. The traffic of Cali is heavy and delayed, so you need patience. Good, you must not do. You shouldn't leave with the low battery of the cell phone so that you can take photos. You do not have to give food to animals that are in the zoo. Do not disintegrate from the family growth that we will live with to avoid possible losses. Thank you.